If you had told me in the past that we could manifest our dreams simply by using a few words and directing our thoughts, I may have been skeptical, just like you. But my friend, let me share with you a journey that changed my perspective entirely. Through the teachings of the renowned spiritual teacher, Neville Goddard, I discovered a world of manifestation techniques that have transformed the lives of millions of people. His powerful methods have ignited the spark of possibility within ourselves, enabling us to manifest our deepest desires. Neville Goddard's wisdom resonates with countless individuals who have experienced the incredible power of his techniques. And in this video, I am excited to unveil one of his remarkable manifestation techniques that can introduce magic into your life as well. By embarking on this journey with us, you will learn how words and thoughts can become potent tools to bring your dreams into reality. It's a practice that has the potential to unlock the abundance, joy, and fulfillment you've always yearned for. But let me assure you that this isn't just a surface-level promise. It's a transformative process that requires belief, commitment, and unwavering faith. As Neville Goddard wisely said, you must assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled until it has been experienced. Now is the time to awaken the manifesting genius within you. If you are new, subscribe to our channel, join our community of like-minded dreamers, and receive regular insights, techniques, and guidance to help you manifest your dreams. Together, let's embark on this extraordinary journey of self-discovery and manifestation, unlocking the infinite possibilities that await us. As Neville Goddard said, imagination is the most potent force in man. With this powerful statement, we can access the transformative potential of thoughts and words. By understanding the power behind I am, our divine identity statement that proclaims our sacred connection to the universe, we can become conscious co-creators who transcend any limitations and step into a reality shaped by our deepest desires. Neville Goddard's teachings offer us a deeper understanding of how to manifest what we want in life through visualization and belief. He taught that by visualizing what you want as if it has already happened and believing it is possible, no matter how far-fetched it may seem at first, you will be able to unlock your own hidden potential for success. He spoke about using affirmations such as I am wealthy or I am healthy as tools for manifesting one's goals. Affirmations help us to create positive vibrations within ourselves, attracting more of what we desire in life, whether that be wealth, health, or anything else. Neville Goddard emphasized merging intentions with boundless energy, allowing us to become architects of our own lives by bringing forth dormant dreams within ourselves through faith and imagination. Gratitude plays a crucial role in manifesting our desires. Expressing thanks as if our desires have already been granted invites abundance into our lives and shows trust in the benevolence of the universe. According to Neville Goddard, gratitude is more than just a polite gesture. It's a recognition of our connection to the cosmic dance of creation. Expressing gratitude is like a sacred contract between us and the cosmos, opening the door to serendipitous encounters, synchronicities, and blessings on our life journey. By embracing these concepts, we become designers of our own destiny. We shape our existence and weave together individual threads to create a universal tapestry powered by the energy of I am. Fully unlocking the benefits of this process requires acceptance and trust, allowing us to experience liberation without fear or anxiety. Recognizing our interconnectivity in all aspects grants us access to new realms where creativity thrives, offering opportunities beyond our imagination to nurture our deepest dreams and live with purposeful intention. Let's remember that infinite possibilities await when we embrace affirmative phrases like "I am" and "thank you." Expressing gratitude for every experience we have, no matter how challenging it may be, can amplify the power of our intentions by showing appreciation to the universe for what we already have. This creates an attitude of humility and grace as we recognize that life is a shared co-creation between ourselves and the universe. When we approach life with an attitude of gratitude, it opens up new pathways for possibilities while helping us stay connected with our higher self so that we can manifest all good things into existence. When we think of imagination, we often associate it with wishful thinking. However, the power of imagination is much more than that. Imagination is a powerful invocation of our creative capabilities that can send ripples into the cosmic fabric and signal our intentions to the universe. Through imagination, we connect with the quantum realm where all conceivable realities exist, unlocking our power to manifest for ourselves as co-creators of reality. As playwrights in this cosmic theater, every thought and intention is a brushstroke on the canvas of existence. There are no boundaries or constraints in this sacred space. Only pure potentiality awaits us if we surrender to its creative flow. We often dream of a brighter future, and the power of creation is the fuel that ignites these aspirations. Through visioning, belief, and faith, we can unlock our potential to manifest our connected dreams into reality. Channeling the energy of creation allows us to align with synchronicities and opportunities that arise to fulfill our dreams. As we surrender ourselves to fate, we become liberated from needing control over every aspect of life, trusting that things will work out for the highest good of all concerned. Realizing that our individual dreams are interconnected with the collective evolution of humanity is a powerful force for positive influence on all existence, encouraging us to live with love and joy in every moment. As we traverse through imagination, each thought, heartbeat, and breath ignites celestial fires of creation, allowing our visions to manifest into reality one step at a time. Neville Goddard's message encourages us to celebrate every step in the manifestation journey with wonder and awe, immersing ourselves in gratitude for both completed goals and ongoing progress alike. Do you ever feel like the universe is conspiring to bring you abundance and joy? Well, many spiritual teachers, including Neville Goddard, point to the power of "this is wonderful" as an invitation that helps open up a pathway for co-creating with the universe. This phrase can be used as an affirmation for manifesting our desired results into our lives. At its core, "this is wonderful" expresses appreciation and gratitude for what we already have in life. Every time we embrace this phrase, we actively co-create with the universe and dissolve any resistance that could be blocking us from receiving abundance into our lives. When we adopt this outlook on life, each experience becomes a gift from the universe, aligned with our desires. The next time you find yourself needing some encouragement or motivation to take action towards manifesting your dreams into reality, try using this simple yet powerful phrase, "This is wonderful." By repeating it over and over again with faith in your heart, belief in your mind, and visualization in your imagination, you will begin unlocking manifestation secrets, just like Neville Goddard did. Embracing the present moment is crucial to develop an abundant mindset, with gratitude guiding us through life's ever-changing course. Planting seeds of positivity in our consciousness propels us towards greater fulfillment. Each realized desire becomes a stepping stone on our manifestation journey. When we release this wonderful anthem, our hearts fill with awe, gratitude, and delight, allowing us to witness miracles beyond our imagination unfold from the universe. Understanding these principles and purposefully integrating them into our daily lives allows us to unlock the power of manifestation quickly, bringing us closer to accomplishing all that we desire from life. Neville Goddard offers a powerful tool set to unlock manifestation secrets and create our desired life. By embracing I am, gratitude, faith, and imagination, we become architects of our destiny. Through visualization and affirmations, we connect with our potential and manifest abundance in all areas. Start using these tools today to unlock your own manifestation secrets. For guidance on manifesting with Neville Goddard's teachings, watch our inspirational videos. Thanks for watching this video till the end. May God bless you in your manifestation journey.